Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to refund Skrill transaction. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. In the bottom, as you can see, we have the five tabs: home, card, we have the crypto, sports tab, and the rewards tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and refund Skrill transaction. So first of all, go to the Skrill website or the application, and of course go into account. Then go to the support section. So navigate to support section and click on contact us or submit a request. So of course you have to go in here, you'll have it here, you have contact us, and here you can go and do that. Now, fill out the form with details about the transaction you want to refund, including the transaction ID, date, and reason for refund, and click submit to send your request. Skrill will review your request and get back to you. Make sure to provide all necessary information to speed up the process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.